Hi, my name is Josh Jones. I was a competitor in the UK National Finals at the NEC Birmingham in November 2019 in the auto refinishing. After 3 hard days of the competition, I got selected into the UK squad and I got a chance to go to Shanghai in 2021. First I got involved in UKs. First I started off in January, I think it was 2019. Went to the WorldSkills, which is going on here today. I think I had a silver in WorldSkills. Then I got on to the semi-finals. My scores are high enough, then I got put on to obviously the NEC then. I think I was practicing in work, obviously painting day in, day out to obviously get everything right. I wanted it to be 100%, if you know what I mean. So obviously when I come to the day, I could obviously just relax and take the competition as a normal working day. So in the college, I think it was before I went up to NEC, I had one training day here from a finalist before that's been there. So obviously he's telling me all the tips and stuff. And then I just worked really hard. Because it was a very long 3-day stressful week, obviously the scores were very tight in WorldSkills. Obviously it's not like 1 or 2 marks, it's like 0.2, 0.1. I didn't get the gold, silver or bronze, but obviously my scores are high enough so I can go on to UK squad now. And then one will get picked to go to Shanghai in 2021. I'm happy what I have achieved so far. And if I don't get picked, it's like training that I wouldn't have had anyway. The course I am on is paint spraying. And obviously we've got a brand new booth at the back and we've got all the cars to practice on, brand new panels. We've got all the kits that obviously you need to practice on. The tutors are really helpful. They're just very friendly and they're just great. And it's just a really, really good college to be in.